Star Clippers Cruise Review app. The pros, the cons. If you're planning a luxurious sailing experience, the Star Clippers Cruise app promises to enhance your journey, but is it truly helpful for travelers? One of the biggest pros is itinerary management. Most people get this wrong by assuming cruise apps are only for bookings. The app allows you to check day schedules, dining options, onboard events, and port information. It also provides a digital map of the ship, making it easy to navigate and plan your activities efficiently. Communication and notifications are another advantage. The app lets you message crew or fellow passengers, book excursions, and receive updates about events or changes. For families or group travelers, coordinating plans becomes much simpler. Digital check-in and ticket management also reduce wait times at embarkation, making the boarding process smoother. However, there are cons. Some users report that offline functionality is limited, which can be frustrating at sea with spotty internet. Certain advanced features, like booking specialty services or viewing detailed cabin information, may require assistance at the guest services desk. The app interface can also feel a bit dated compared to modern travel apps. In conclusion, the Star Clippers Cruise app is perfect for travelers who want a convenient on-the-go way to navigate their cruise experience. The surprising truth is that while it simplifies planning and communication, some services still require direct interaction with staff on board. For anyone looking to enhance their sailing adventure with easy scheduling, notifications, and onboard guidance, this app offers a practical, user-friendly companion for a smoother, more enjoyable cruise.